Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my video resume. I am Ahsan Kibriya. I am 23 years old. I am from Nogan. Now I am staying beside the Daffodil International University. I am studying at Daffodil International University, Department of Nutrition and Food Engineering. I complete my SSC Nujipur Model High School and SSC Shamukdum College, Rajshahi. I always try to develop my knowledge and gain lot of experience. At the university's club are best place to gain knowledge and experience. I have actively participated DIU Sports Club and gained many prizes like Ispahani Puthmalo 2024 champion, Student Uprising Memorial Cup 2024 champion and player of the tournament. Through my academic journey, I have developed a strong foundation in nutrition, food safety and food science. I have many experience in my department lab. DIU provide many modern lab facilities about food processing technology and nutrition analysis. Already I complete many lab courses like organic chemistry, food packaging, physiology, dairying technology, baking, microbiology, water and beverage technology. I fluently speak in Bangla and English. My goal is to become a sports nutritionist, where I can help design player diet chart and improve their health. I always try to balance my time between my classes, assignment and sports participate. As a student and player has helped me learn how to manage time, stay disciplined and work under pressure. As a player, I am physically active, mentally strong. I am always ready to take challenge and stay focused to my goal. I hope to continue improve myself every day, both in classroom and field. Thank you for watching my video resume.